As reported by the Ukrainian Land Forces on January 27, 2025, they've destroyed a Russian 96 L6E radar system in the Donetsk region. The sensor is an integral part of the S-300 and S-400 air defense systems. The Black Forest Brigade of Ukrainian forces managed to detect and destroy the Russian radar in the combat zone while it was in transit. As per reports, HIMARS, cued by a UAV, was used to carry out the strike. The Ukrainian military has released footage of the strike. The 15th Artillery Brigade wrote, "Punishment from above, destruction of a Russian radar." In this video, Defense Updates reports on the destruction of Russian 96 L6E radar by HIMARS. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. '96 L6E, nicknamed Cheeseboard by NATO, is a 3D C-band early warning and acquisition radar designed to replace the 36D6 Tin Shield B and 76N6 clamshell. The radar was developed by Almaz Ante Air Defense Concern. It was first showcased at the MAX Air Show in 2001, entered serial production in 2005, and joined the Russian service in 2008. Manufactured by the Leonozovsky Electromechanical Plant, it's deployed in various regions, including Moscow and its surroundings. 96 L6E radar provides high-altitude and medium-range detection, tracking aerial targets such as aircrafts, helicopters, UAVs, and missiles, and supporting target prioritization within air defense operations. The phased array antenna with 96 radiating rows employs mechanical beam steering in azimuth and electronic beam steering in elevation. The radar is a frequency-hopping design intended to provide high jam resistance and high clutter rejection. There are 2 operational modes implemented. Low-altitude targets can be acquired by constraining the main lobe elevation angle between -3 degrees and plus 1.5 degrees using an antenna rotation of 5 RPM. This slow rotation allows for better clutter rejection with a subclutter visibility of up to 70 decibels. All altitude targets can be acquired by constraining the main lobe elevation angle between -1.5 degrees and positive 20 degrees using an antenna rotation of 10 RPM. As a third mode, the radar can operate in a sector search. The data enables missile systems to prioritize and engage targets efficiently. The 96 L6E radar has a detection range of 5 to 300 kilometers, that's 3.1 miles to 186 miles, and an altitude ceiling of 100 kilometers or 62 miles. It can simultaneously track and classify up to 100 targets, providing detailed azimuth, elevation, and range measurements. It can operate in diverse environmental conditions and can function autonomously or as part of an integrated air defense system. Deployment times are 5 minutes for a single unit setup and 30 minutes for a 2-unit configuration. We can say that it's one of the most sophisticated sensors developed by Russia. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, or HIMARS, is a light multiple rocket launcher developed in the late 1990s for the United States Army, mounted on a standard Army M1140 truck frame. The system has seen many upgrades, including a rework of its targeting software for better accuracy. HIMARS can cover a distance of 300 miles or 480 kilometers on a single refueling, and can travel with a maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour or 52 miles per hour. It can be reloaded in about a minute with only a small crew. The use of a wheeled chassis, rapid deployment, and dismantling of the complex digital fire control allows HIMARS to use hit-and-run tactic. It has one universal pod that can accommodate 6 unguided or guided rockets of 227mm caliber or one MGM-140 Army TACMS with a diameter of 610mm. As per some reports and the precision of the strike seen in the footage, it's likely that GMLRS or guided MLRS has been used. With GMLRS, HIMARS can reach a land target at a maximum range of 46 miles or 75 kilometers. GMLRS adds GPS-aided guidance to its inertial navigation system, or INS, and has a reliability rating exceeding 98%. It has a 90-kilogram or 200-pound warhead. .96 L6E radar's destruction reduces the detection and tracking capabilities of the S-300 and S-400 systems, potentially affecting their operational effectiveness. Ukraine's efforts to degrade Russia's air defense capabilities are part of a broader strategy to enhance both defensive and offensive operations. Ukraine targets Russian air defense systems to diminish Russia's ability to carry out aerial attacks, reducing threats to Ukrainian forces and civilians. Additionally, these strikes aim to weaken Russian air defenses, creating strategic opportunities for Ukrainian air and ground operations. Deep strikes into Russian territory, targeting military and economic assets, seek to disrupt operations, inflict financial damage, and stretch Russia's air defenses across vast areas. Beyond the physical impact, these actions serve psychological purposes for undermining Russian morale and showcasing Ukraine's operational reach. Ultimately, they aim to weaken Russia's aerial dominance, leveling the battlefield and strengthening Ukraine's defensive and counter-offensive capabilities. Even pro-Russian commentators have been stating for some time now that Russia cannot afford to lose air defenses. HIMARS has been one of the most crucial weapons the U.S. has provided to Ukraine. It's been used to blow up Russian ammunition depots, command and control centers, bridges, and even air defenses. Its suitability for hit-and-run operations and the precision of GMLRS make it such an effective platform.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.